Hi and welcome to another video on Learnyst product tutorials, and in this video we will see how you can issue a certificate of completion to your students using the certificate builder. Let's get started. First, let us go to your admin dashboard and click on the add-ons section. Now click on the certificates page. Now let us click on a foundation of communication skills course. Now click on the Design Certificate button on the top right corner. To issue a certificate for a student with a score greater than 60 marks, first click on the Add Criteria button and select the test lesson or section quiz within this course. And now enter the pass score as 60 and click on the Add button. If you have multiple quizzes within a course, you can again click on the Add Certificate Criteria, click on another section quiz and enter the pass score as 60. To disable the certificates, click on the Disable checkbox and confirm Yes to disable it. Feel free to issue certificates based on the first attempt or latest attempt of the quiz. Next, click on the Design Certificate button. To edit the headline of this certificate, hover over the certificate headline and click on Edit. Here, let me change the default text and enter my academy name, Y2K Kid Academy, in front of the course completion and hit Enter. Next, click on the text color column and drag the mouse to a black color. Once satisfied, I can click on Apply to save the changes. Next, click on the Edit Background. So here I get a prompt to change the background using either an image or color. Next, to change the background color, click on the Color checkbox. And now click on the background color. Now enter the value within the checkbox. Click on the Apply button. Next, hover over the Add Logo button and click on Edit. Click on Upload Image. Click on the Browse File and select a proper logo. Next, you can edit the student name and the text below it by clicking on the Edit button. Note that the student name, course name, start date and completion date has to be given within the curly brackets. These tags will convert to actual values for each student. To add a signature, hover over the Add Signature button and click on Edit. Click on Upload Image and then select the signature. You can hover over the Issuer Designation button and click on Edit to add your designation like co-founder, CEO, or your academic designation within the Issuer Designation button. Click on the Choose Template option to find the two other certificate template variations. Let us click on Save button to save all the changes. Click on the Generate Sample to create a preview of your certificate. Once you are happy with the certificate, click on the Publish button to publish your certificate. Congratulations! Your certificate has been published successfully. Now let us see how your students will view the certificate from their side. If I click on the Certificates tab, click on the Download Certificate, I will be able to download and view my final certificate. I can copy the certificate and open it in a new tab. I can then click on the Share button and I can pick Twitter, Facebook or LinkedIn option. As a student, I can also go to my LinkedIn profile and enter the certificate URL within the credential URL and click on Save. I can click on See the credential to view the certificate. With this, we have come to the end of this video. In the comment section below, do let us know the tools you use to create certificates for your students. And lastly, if you like this video, do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on course creation and marketing tips. So until next time, see you, take care and bye bye.